Meaning of enfold.
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 Enfold. Enfold means to wrap or cover something completely. The result of enfolding is a state of being enclosed or surrounded by something, often in a protective or comforting way. When something is enfolded, it is usually held or contained within something else. This could refer to physically wrapping something up, like wrapping a blanket around oneself, or it could describe a more abstract concept, such as being embraced by love or enveloped in a sense of calm. Overall, enfold implies a state of security, comfort, and protection.